Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable new friend notification on Messenger. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and tap on settings at the top. Scroll down and click on notifications and sounds. Scroll down to new friend notifications. Here you can see that you can get a new chat thread when you have a new Facebook friend. So if you would like to enable this feature, all you have to do is clicking on this button on the right side of the screen next to new friend notifications, thereby enabling this feature. So basically, that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.